Hello everyone. In today's class, we will discuss about soil erosion. So, what is soil erosion? Soil erosion is a process in which top layer of soil on a surface is removed due to action of either water or wind or gravity. In other words, it's a three-step process consists of detachment, transportation and deposition of soil particles from one place to another place due to action of either wind, water or gravity. Now this soil erosion is broadly categorized into two classes. One is geological erosion and another one is the accelerated erosion. So geological erosion is caused by the natural process and it's a very स्लो एंड लॉन्ग टर्म प्रोसेस एंड जो जियोलॉजिकल इरोजन है इसका एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोडक्टिविटी एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड पे इम्पैक्ट काफी कम होता है एज कम्पेयर एक्सेलरेटेड इरोजन एंड द वेदरिंग ऑफ रॉक्स कम्स अंडर द जियोलॉजिकल इरोजन. Now the accelerated erosion is caused by the natural as well as man-made or anthropogenic activity. Then what could be these activities? These activities are false plowing, lack of soil conservation measure practices, the lack of practices related to water resource management, watershed planning and management, deforestation, overgrazing and infrastructure development, etc. Now, based on the causing agent, this soil erosion is categorized into three categories. Erosion caused by water, erosion caused by wind and caused by wave action. So, water erosion, wind erosion and coastal or seaside erosion. So, in today's class, we will discuss about water erosion or the erosion which is caused by what? Erosion caused by water is categorized into 6 classes. So, first one is the splash erosion. तो जब भी रेनड्रॉप स्ट्राइक आउट करता है लैंड सरफेस को, रेनड्रॉप फॉल्स विथ सम काइनेटिक एनर्जी एंड व्हेनेवर इट स्ट्राइक आउट, जब भी लैंड सरफेस को या सॉइल पार्टिकल को स्ट्राइक करता है, so due to some kinetic energy, the soil particle will detach and will create some splash. So the detachment of particle due to raindrop or splash generated due to impact of raindrop is known as the splash or raindrop erosion. Then next one is the sheet erosion. So in splash erosion, detachment of particle was taking place. In sheet erosion, since soil particle is detached, now this particle will flow with water. So the sheet erosion is basically the uniform removal of soil particles from the soil surface is known as the sheet erosion. So in splash erosion, detachment was taking place. In sheet erosion, transportation as well as detachment is taking place. Now third one is the reel erosion. So water moves from higher elevation to lower elevation, and when water moves, it creates some small channels. These small channels are known as the reels, and the size of channel or these channels are look like finger shape. So this is the transition stage of water erosion. If the reel erosion is treated properly, then we can prevent this land from gully erosion, and if not, then these reels will convert into the gully erosion, and gully erosion is nothing but the advanced stage of reel erosion or the enlargement of reel erosion. Now slip erosion or also known as the landslide erosion. So in hilly areas, due to saturation of landmass, the landmass falls over the surface or landslide happens. So this landslide is known as the landslide erosion or slip erosion. Now next one is the stream bank erosion. Stream bank erosion is occurs in the stream. So ये stream bank erosion कब होगा? यदि इस streams में properly vegetation नहीं है and velocity of flow is high, in that case stream bank erosion will take place. यदि इस place पे stream के side में प्लांटेशन है, वेजिटेशन कवर प्रॉपर है, तो वेजिटेशन जो है ये इट विल रिड्यूस दी impact of velocity of water and prevent from the scouring. But if not, then due to flowing water scouring will take place, and scouring के कारण ये जो land mass है it will detach and transport from one place to another place. So this is known as the stream bank erosion. Now, what could cause the soil erosion? So there are two main causes. First one is the destruction of natural protective cover, and another one is the improper use of land use. So destruction of vegetation protective cover means deforestation, overgrazing, forest fire, etc. come. So how deforestation, overgrazing, forest fire cause the soil erosion? Means what is the purpose of forest? Forest का purpose है जो soil है इसे होल्ड करके रखना, बाउंड करके रखना, एंड इस जो प्लांट्स रूट्स हैं ये एक ऐसी मैट्रिक्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं जिससे प्रॉपर इन्फिल्ट्रेशन हो एंड टू conserve the soil moisture. So due to deforestation, soil erosion will be more. Now overgrazing of vegetation cover. The purpose of vegetation cover is it prevent soil फ्रॉम दी रेन ड्रॉप इम्पैक्ट और फ्लोइंग वाटर का जो इम्पैक्ट है या वेलोसिटी ऑफ वाटर है इसके इम्पैक्ट से प्रिवेंट करना. बट यदि ये ओवर ग्रेजिंग इससे हो मीन्स लैंड सरफेस अब बैरन है और बैरन लैंड पे एज कंपेयर टू वेजिटेशन कवर्ड एरिया रेन ड्रॉप का इम्पैक्ट एज वेल एज वेलोसिटी ऑफ वाटर का जो इम्पैक्ट है या इम्पैक्ट ऑफ वेलोसिटी ऑफ वाटर ये ज्यादा होगा. सो ओवर ग्रेजिंग ऑल्सो अफेक्ट द सॉइल इरोजन एज वेल एज फॉरेस्ट फायर. Now improper use of land. In improper land use of land like overgrazing में जैसे कहा कि यदि लैंड सरफेस पे वेजिटेशन कवर नहीं है इन दैट केस रेन ड्रॉप एज वेल एज फ्लोइंग वाटर विल इम्पैक्ट द सॉइल सरफेस डायरेक्टली. तो यदि लैंड को बैरन रखा है विदाउट वेजिटेशन इन दैट केस सॉइल इरोजन विल बी मोर. यदि हम ऐसी क्रॉप्स को ग्रो करते हैं जो इरोजन कॉज करती हैं इस केस में इरोजन होगा. रिमूवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक मैटर एंड प्लांट न्यूट्रिएंट बाय अडॉप्टिंग injudicious cropping pattern, cultivation along the land slope. So to reduce the soil erosion, cultivate across the slope, not along the slope. Along the slope contributes in the soil erosion, not prevents from the soil erosion. And faulty methods of irrigation. So these are the cause of soil erosion. Now what are the effects of soil erosion? This soil erosion reduce the soil fertility क्योंकि top soil जो है it's more fertile than the subsoil. So fertile soil के loss होने से crop productivity भी कम less होगी. Rising bed deposition of soil होगा river या streams में जिससे इन rivers और stream की water carrying capacity कम होगी. And monsoon season में या जब high flows की condition में इससे जो सराउंडिंग एरियाज हैं उनमें फ्लडिंग के चांसेस हो सकते हैं. सिल्टिंग ऑफ रिजर्वायर, ये जो डिपोजिशन है यदि ये किसी रिजर्वायर में इसका सिल्टिंग हो जाता है सो इट विल रिड्यूस द कैपेसिटी ऑफ रिजर्वायर टू स्टोर द वाटर एंड एज वेल एज इट डैमेज द लैंड, रेलवे, and roads due to deposition of silt, sand and other eroded material. So thank you.